Hello guys, welcome to Future Code, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a linked list using C. So sit back and enjoy the show. So first you need to understand what a linked list is. It is like Lego chain here. Each list has nodes. Each node connects to each other. Each node stores two things. One is data, and other is the memory address of next node. Now you have a basic idea, let's start. So first you need to add a header file, standardIO.h, and another is standardlib.h. We need it for malloc as we need space for our new node. Now we create node, which is obviously a struct. It stores two things. One is data, and other is a pointer to node to store memory address of next node, which is named as next. Now, in main function, we declare head as null to create an empty list, which is also a pointer to node. Now we call malloc to ask for some space. We insert value of 10 in it. We also now it points to node so that the list is closed now. Now we again call malloc to ask for some space for our new node, which is second, and we insert the value 20. Make sure it points to null so that list is closed. Here is the important part. We need to make head points next to second so that the list is in perfect order. Now we do same and create a new node third, insert value 30, and close the list. And now the same, make sure second points to third so the list is in perfect order. Now to print the list, we need a pointer to node current. Current is the guy who reach out to each node and tell us the data. Now to print it, we use a while loop. If while not equal to null means list is not empty, then we print a value. We use a format specified %d to print it. Now it continues to print next till the list is empty. Now we print it. You can see the output. I use print null to make my output look good. So if you enjoy, like and subscribe to become a future coder.